Twinkle, twinkle.
Let's discuss about opposites. The opposite of big.
Small.
Up.
Up.
Opposite of up.
Down.
Opposite of left.
And then a big, small, right, and left to right.
Short.
A long.
Open.
A close.
Hard.
Easy.
Easy. Light.
And night.
Night. Day.
And night.
Night. Narrow.
A what?
Wide.
White.
White.
White. Black.
Very good. Strong.
Weak. Strong.
Wow. Okay. What else?
Animal.
Fast.
Fast.
Fat. Slow.
Very good.
Let's stop. Go.
Wow. Stop. Go. Smile.
Frown.
Frown. Very good.
Up.
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 Down.
Down. Very good. There. What's the opposite of good?
Bed.
Opposite of hot?
A cold.
Very good. Opposite of hard?
A light.
Light. And so opposite sa new?
Old.
Opposite sa young?
Old.
Wow, old.
Old.
Opposite sa heavy?
Light.
Wow. Opposite sa sad?
Happy.
Wow. Opposite sa excited?
Worried.
Wow. Opposite sa clean?
Dirty.
Wow. Opposite
Sa handsome.
Papa.
Opposite?
Pangit.
A long shirt.
Bulungan niya ba?
Long shirt.
So in English sa gwapo.
Handsome.
Wow. Opposite sa guwapa?
Peter.